Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Woofwork. Ticker symbol is Woof. This token just got listed on CoinGecko today, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Woofwork. So Woofwork, like I said, just got listed on CoinGecko just today. Ticker symbol is Woof. Their official webpage is woofwork.io. You can find that listed on CoinGecko along with their price chart, contract address, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, Medium articles, and yeah, their ether scans on here. Let's see how many holders they got so far. So far they have 2,919 holders, so they're off to a decent start here. 9,477 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 7.9 billion tokens. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the Woof token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, or you can find it on their Etherscan, or their webpage, woofwork.io. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. And just be aware that there's going to be some network fees and some gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, the token is up 7.5% right now. There is a warning at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about investing in this token. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about getting it, because when there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam if you're it definitely could be a scam if they can alter like the smart contract, change tax rates, and do all that type of stuff. So thoroughly investigate this token and do your own research before purchasing. So they do have a bunch of partners listed on here, like Cult DAO, if you've heard of Cult DAO before, Good Dog, the Heal token, Shibaverse. Now all these projects also have their own tokens, which I've done videos on, so you could check out Good Dog and the Heal token, Cult DAO and their Cult token, all that type of stuff. X Fund and Chomp, they're all partners with those. They have a link to buy Woof on their webpage and the contract address. It says token is live now. So it says Woofwork, the Upwork killer, crypto freelance marketplace for the Shiba ecosystem. It says ready to work in crypto and earn crypto. Introducing Woofwork. Join the Woofolution. What is a freelance marketplace? Well, simply an online platform to connect talented workers with clients looking to hire them. People go there to offer their skills, services for contract hire in fields ranging from graphic design, writing, marketing, programming, tech, etc., and to hire people with the right skill set. While Upwork and Fiverr are the most widely known examples, these have major issues that Woofwork is here to solve. Get ready to woof. The future of freelance is on the blockchain. Woofwork aims to be the first freelance marketplace to work and hire in Woof, Ethereum, SHIB, and 100 plus other cryptocurrencies. Woof is an ERC20 token which will IDO on the Falcon 9 launch pad, so that's over already, We're proud to join the Shiba Inu ecosystem by being one of the first projects that will migrate to Shibarium, Shiba's upcoming L2 solution. Worried about Ethereum transaction fees? Relax. Fees on Shibarium to use Woofwork will be next to nothing. We're excited to announce our partnership with Falcon 9 and X Fund at launch, with more to come. So I actually just did a video on the X Fund token, or the fund token from Unification, which just got listed on MEXC Global. So check out that Unification video and their fund token. It says, do I smell a freelance revolution coming in the air, or is that just wet dog smell coming from the Woof pack? Be fruitful and multiply, young woofers. Join the Woofollution. After a woof-worthy launch in Q4 and growing our Barktastic community, it's time to unleash the Woofwork platform in Q1 2023. So in the meantime, here's a few more reasons why Woofwork is going to be the crypto freelance, the next crypto freelance marketplace. So it says Upwork is broken. It's woofing is expensive. Upfront fees plus 20% of everything you make. That's pretty crazy, actually. Fiverr isn't much better. They take up to 20% too. Okay, so it says the point is, this marketplace is going to be better. Upwork monitors their chats for suspicious activity, and if you get caught, that could be the end of your account. So that's another problem here. There are so many challenges with fiat freelance marketplaces. Can't work anonymously, have to pay extra, no communication, fees that hurt your bottom line, you can be kicked off the platform, difficult to get accounts approved, yada, yada, yada. So there's all sorts of stuff on there. Now, if you want to check out their roadmap tokenomics, that's on their webpage here. It says 33% goes to IDO, 11% liquidity pool, 11% Woof rewards pool, 10% partnerships supporting the Woof mission, 10% goes to staking and the growth fund, 10% marketing, 10% operations, 5% reserve. So it says platform payments will have 0% fees. So that's good. Now, I don't know if it has any taxes on the token. It doesn't really say. I don't see that anywhere. They do have a roadmap on here, though, starting with team formation, project idea, tokenomics, then partnerships, then the launch, then marketing, freelance marketplace platform, NFT metaverse partnership, business development, platform launch, key partnerships, freelance marketplace, referral program, on-chain voting, rewards for staking, then a token swap on Shibarium L2, integration with further currencies, more partnerships, programs, fiat on and off ramps, and then transition to a DAO. So yeah, check out this token. Just got listed on CoinGecko just today. Brand new listing. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.